Hello students, we have already studied about in the previous class about excretion in organisms. We have also studied about excretion in simple unicellular organism, and we have also studied about excretion in human beings. Now in this part of the chapter, that is the last topic of this chapter, we are going to study about excretion in plants. Okay, so excretion in plants. Now this is a very simple topic. Now in the plants there are basically three parts are there. Okay, so number one is leaf, number two is stem, and number three is root. So we are going to study about, if you study through this leaf, stem and root, it will be very easy for you to understand how excretion takes place in the plants. Okay, so basically we have a proper well organized excretory system present in our body, but plants do not have a well defined excretory system. So every part of the plant is responsible for its own excretion. Okay, so what does the leaf excrete? That we are going to see. What does the stem excrete? And what does the root excrete? Okay, now as we know that plant lose the water by the process of transpiration. So for plants, water is a waste product, and it is released mostly by the stomata which is present in the or on the surface of the leaves. So first product is water. Then we know about oxygen. Oxygen is a waste product for the plant which is produced during the process of photosynthesis. So plants release water, plants release oxygen, and we know that the leaves fall. The leaves fall off whenever they become old, they fall off. So the plant, the different parts of the plant or the nearby parts of the leaf know that this leaf is going to fall. So what they do, they transport all the waste in the leaf which is going to fall. Okay, so the falling leaf also has got lot of waste substances in it. So we see leaf is basically doing three types of excretion. It is removing water, oxygen, and various substances are present in the falling leaf. Now we know that stem has got vacuoles. The cells of the stem has got vacuoles. So many of the substances are waste substances are stored in the vacuole. So vacuoles also contain many of the waste substances. Okay, now you might be seeing that the stem also releases gums. If you see the neem tree, it has got gum, the sticky substance coming out of the stem. Okay, so stem also releases, they store many things inside the vacuoles of the cell. They release gums, resin, tannin, etc. So various substances are excreted by the stem, and there are many substances which are released by the roots in the soil. So roots release substances directly in the soil around them. So these are the substances which are excreted by the plants. Now let us see what is given in the NCERT. Okay. Now the first point given in the NCERT is plant use completely different strategies for excretion than those of animals. I have already told you, because plants do not have a well defined excretory system like we have. So oxygen, I told you, oxygen number one. Oxygen can itself be thought as a waste because it is produced during the process of photosynthesis. So leaf, so I told you leaf, if you remember leaf, so leaf releases oxygen by the through the stomata. Then transpiration also takes place through the leaf only. So number two. Okay, so they can get rid of excess water by the process of transpiration. Okay, number three is also of the leaf. So what is number three? For other ways, plant use the fact that many of their tissues consist of dead cells, and they can even lose some parts such as leaves. Okay, So waste product may be stored in the leaves that fall off, as I have already told you. Okay, so the leaves which are falling off, they also have lot of waste substances present in them. Okay, now number 4, many plant waste products are stored in cellular vacuoles. Where these vacuoles are present? In the cells of the stem, basically. Okay, and other waste products are stored as resins and gums, especially in the old xylem. This is number 5. So what is old xylem? Old xylem is a dead tissue. Okay, it does not carry water. It is a dead tissue. You have seen in the point number 3 that plant use the fact that many of the tissues consist of dead cells. Already I have told you that many of the cells in the plant are dead, and what they use it for? Storing of the substances. Which substances? Waste products like resins, gums. I have already told you in the beginning. And the last one is plants use also excrete some waste into the soil. Which part of the plant excrete waste products into the soil? The roots. Okay, so if you see, these are 6 points given in your NCRT. Now if you just read and concentrate on these 3 points: leaf, what is released excreted by the leaf, what is excreted by the stem, what is excreted by the root, then you can easily learn the 6 points: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6th point. So these are the 6 points given in your NCRT. Underline and write them in your notebooks. Thank you, students.